home and welcome to the English lecture video class 4. Hope you all are fine, doing well at home. This is our English class and today we are going to do our unit number 2 and lesson number 4, which is sentences. Okay, our unit number 2 and lesson number 4, our topic today is sentences. We have 3 exercises here. Open your book and your page number 12. Your exercise A here is Kim and Sarah are going on a school expedition to Panning National Park. Okay, with the teacher. Listen to your teacher and underline the correct phrases as you shown. Put the verbs in the brackets into the present continuous tense. Okay, so we have to put the verbs in the brackets which are in the bracket. We have to change these verbs in the present continuous tense. Okay, so I have done this for you in the end of video. You just have to change it and write them on your notebook, and you have to learn the verbs which are changing which I changes for you. Okay, I'm going to read it once for you. Tomorrow we are going. Okay, they have done the first example for us. They have changed the verb go into going. Okay, tomorrow we go to Penang National Park. Okay, we reach 8:30 or 8 in the morning from the school car park. First we are going to drive or to ride Penang. At the park center we meet our guide Farazia at 10-12 o'clock. We are going to watch a video and buy some maps. Then we go to the walk. We are going to have a picnic on the beach on Tanjung Alang. After that we are going to walk a bit further to Teluk Duyung, which is known as Monkey Beach. Okay, we must be careful of the monkeys as they can give you a nasty bite. We leave to the park at 5 o'clock. We arrive home in the time for supper. Okay, now I have changed it for you. You can relate it from the paragraph which I have given in the video at the end and change it and write this on your notebook, and also learn the forms of verb which I had changed in it. Come to the next one. Choose should or must. Okay, we write should with the words that we say that should, you have to na. Okay, you should or you have to. And we write must with the words actually should have a condition. Okay, like advising. Should is a way of advising. I said you like you should learn it. Okay, you should learn it day by day, or this is my advice for you. Okay, and one thing which is I am giving you as a order, so I use must with it, that you must learn your topic tomorrow for test. Okay, so this is the difference between should or must. So fill in the blanks with the suitable word. Your teacher says you must buy an entry ticket at the park entrance. I think you dash carry a raincoat with you. I think you should carry a, it's a way of thinking, so I think you should carry a raincoat with you. Remember, you dash follow the guide's instruction. You must follow the guide instructions. So write must in the blank. I think you dash pack a water bottle in your bag. I think you should pack a water bottle in your bag. Okay, don't forget, you must take your litter away with you. Okay, you must. I think you should take your mobile with you when you go walking. Okay, I think you should. As you all do lots of walking, you should wear walking boots, not sandals. Okay, so fill in the blanks with the suitable word. Now choose should not or must not. You dash leave litter anywhere. You must not leave litter anywhere. You dash drink water from the steamer. You should not drink water from the steamer. You dash pick any flower in a national park. Okay, you must not pick any flowers in a national park. You dash light fires, it's forbidden. You must not light fire, it's forbidden. Okay, you dash climb cliffs, you could hurt yourself. You should not climb cliffs, you could hurt yourself. Okay, should not here. You dash take any photos of stranger without permission. You must not take any photos of strangers without their permission. Okay. You dash feed the monkeys. It's not a good idea. You must not feed monkeys. It's not a good idea. So you have to read the above paragraph in exercise A and write the correct paragraph on your notebook, which I have done for you in the end of your video. It's given in the end of your video. You have to copy it and write it on your notebook. Do the exercise B and C on your book. Okay, and clear this thing that where you have to use should, must, should not, or must not. All the things and all the sentences carefully at least once. Hope you understand the topic today. Hope you understand the use of should, must, should not, and must not. Take care, stay blessed, and Allah Hafiz.